Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into something super exciting, introducing the essential change communication asset library. If you are navigating organizational change, this is the game changer. First up are stunning posters. Use these eye-catching visuals to communicate key messages and keep everyone in the loop. Place them in high-traffic areas to keep the conversation going and everyone motivated. Next, we've got our customizable fact sheet templates. These are perfect for sharing important information quickly. Tailor them to your team's need and distribute them via email or handouts during team meetings. Keeping your team informed has never been easier. And don't forget our change management capability building newsletters. Use these to equip your team with the skills and knowledge they need to thrive through this transition. Share success stories, tips, and resources to inspire everyone on this journey together. Whether you are launching a new project, restructuring, or embracing new technologies, this essential change management communication plan asset is your secret weapon. Make change not just manageable but exciting. Ready to transform the way you communicate change? Click the button below to download your copy today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below for more tips for successful change management. See you next time.